Hey, Logan, is that a box? What's it say? What does that say? Huh? Yeah? Well, I don't know if you're supposed to sit on the box. Can you tell me what the box says? What was that word? Can you read this for me? What does this say?
Disney.
Disney?
Disney?
It says Disney. I wonder what it is. Let's see. It says Disney Store.com. That's a Y. Shall we open it together? Here, let's open it.
Open.
Let's open.
Open.
Yeah, let's open. What is it? I don't know. Okay, we have some packing material.
Yeah.
Who is that? Buzz Lightyear? Is that who that is? Oh. Do you want to say thank you, Grandma Chica? Say thank you.
All quiet, nothing to report. Please be careful. You don't want to be in the way when my laser goes off. They are a beryllium carbonic alloy, and I can fly. To infinity and beyond.
Logan.
Dare you open a spaceman summon on an uncharted planet? My eyeballs would have been sucked from their sockets.
Logan, do you want to say thank you, Grandma Chica?
Approaching destination. Re-engaging service.
You're too mesmerized to say thank you, huh?
Emperor Zurg has been secretly building a weapon with a destructive capacity to annihilate an entire planet. I alone have information that reveals his weapons.
Wow. I mean, he's reading a novel now. Is that Buzz Lightyear?
Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. Come in, Star Command. No back, Doc. I have a laser, and I will use it.
Logan. Hey,
Everyone,
can you say thank you?
everyone take cover.
I know you can, but you're too crazy right now, aren't you?
Point to this planet location of Zurg's fortress, but there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere. Who goes there? I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace. Buzz Lightyear, at your service.
Okay.
Nothing to report.
Well, that's good. You want to say thank you? Look at the camera. Look to the camera longer.
Please be careful.
Okay. Wow, this is good. Grandma Chica can see that you're really enjoying your Buzz Lightyear. Thank you, Grandma Chica. I think he's going to like it.